Good morning, dear children. Welcome back to grade 6th Hindi online class. Today we are going to continue the lesson 1. I think you would have studied meanings. Did you complete all in the booklet? Yes, I think you have to submit every Saturday classwork and homework. Some of them have submitted last Saturday, some of them did not submit. Those who did not submit, please complete and submit it. Homework booklet, I have found some mistakes almost. Some of them committed mistakes, one or two only written correctly. I think you did not understand the Samyukta Akshar. Listen here, once more I am telling that. Already I have said only you have to study Swarakshar and Vyanjanakshar, isn't it? Do you know all? You have to study, then only you can read. At least you can know to read. Listen here, this is Ardha Vyanjan semi-consonants, this ik. Tamil we will put dot up, but here down, like a dot, simple dot. Okay, ik. Ik, not bindi, there will be a line. Okay, ka, ik, ig, ing. This and this is equal, isn't it? Equal. Ik. For how we have to change, just remember, we have to take the straight line from this letter. இந்த எழுத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய நேர்கோடை எடுத்தான்னா நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்? இந்த பாதி எழுத்து கிடைக்கும். ஓகே, அப்போ இந்த எழுத்து ரெண்டு எழுத்து சேரும்போது சம்யுக்தாட்சரனாலே ரெண்டு மெய் எழுத்து சேரும்போது வரக்கூடியது தான் நமக்கு சம்யுக்தாட்சர். இது தமிழில் இங்கிலீஷ்லாம் இல்லை, ஹிந்தியில் மட்டும்தான் நம்ம படிக்கிறோம். சரியா? ஸோ இங்கே இந்த காயும் இந்த ஃபா மட்டும்தான் உங்களுக்கு லைட்டாக இருக்கும், ஸ்ட்ரைட்டில் இல்லை, அதனால் அதில் பாதி ஆக்கும். மீதி ஸ்ட்ரைட்டில் இல்லாத எழுத்து எதுவுமே இங்கே சேஞ்ச் ஆகாது, அப்படியே எழுதி கீழே அந்த கோடை போடணும். இட்டு இங்கே பாரு, இக்கு. லிசன் ஹியர், இக்கு வி ஹவ் ரிமூவ் த கா ஸ்ட்ரைட் லைன், இக்கு. ஹியர் இக் ஸ்ட்ரைட் லைன் ரிமூவ், இக்கு. ஹியர் ஸ்ட்ரைட் ரிமூவ், இக்கு. சா ஸ்ட்ரைட் லைன் ரிமூவ், இச்சு. திஸ் சா ஸ்ட்ரைட் லைன் ரிமூவ், இச்சு. Is everywhere we remove like that. Listen, this star line, there we did not remove the straight line. Listen here, it will be like this. When we are combining with other letter also it will be coming like this. Next ta straight line removed, here star straight line, everywhere like this. Wherever it is not, ha we cannot, so it is like this. This ra only will be coming like this up, okay, like this it will come. So now I am giving that letter. Listen here, this is Samyuktakshar, you will be seeing this one with the consonants. Ikshayatra, after ha there will be written Ikshayatra Ijnashra, because you have to by heart, so that given with that. So you had like Kakaga, you have to by heart this letter also, because you don't know which are letter here, but I have given here. This you have to by heart, there is no other way. Ik plus sha, iksha. This iksha, if I give this iksha, you cannot write how it is, what are letter here. But you write only you can find, no? Ik plus ka, iksha. Itu plus ra, itra. Ij plus nya, ijnya. Is plus ra, isra. Id plus ya, idya. These letters you have to by heart. Next, these letters, no need to. You can find ik plus ka, ikka. Ik, instead of ik, I told you, this you can write this ik. When we are writing with other letter, can make it like this, ikka. Ich plus cha, icha, you have to take. Suppose if I ask in the test this one, you have to write this. If I ask this, you have to write this. Understood now? Ich plus cha, icha. Ip plus ya, ipya. Iv plus ya, vya. Okay, this straight line you have to remove and join with this next letter. Ipya, icha, ikka, like this. Now listen here. Ij plus va. Ij plus va, jva. Straight line removed. Ik plus ta, ikta, removed. Straight line. In plus ya, inya. It plus ya, tya. It plus ta. Look here. It plus ta. Here, no straight line. So it is coming like this, or down you have to write. It. Suppose if I ask like this, you have to write like this. Id plus va, idva. Still, almost many of them used to write do. The do symbol will write. No, this da, down. Idva. This also can write. Then id plus da, idda. Can write like this, idda. In plus na, inna, have to write like this. Next, this one is different. This one almost all committed mistakes. This one many of the written correctly. Many of the children written correctly like this. But this one is committed mistake. Listen here, ma. This ir plus ma. Listen. Ir plus ma, irma. So ra we have to take in two part. This is a ra. This is a ra. No. We have to take in two part. This is the first. This is the second. So if the ra is coming, this simple. The next letter up. The ra, the second letter down you have to write. The pronouncing also look. Irma. 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 Imra. Down we are putting, so second we are reading this irra, imra. Irma, imra. Ir plus ma, irma. If I ask this, you have to write this, irma. If I ask this, you have to write irma. Suppose it is in the ir plus cha, ircha. Ir plus cha, ircha. Ir plus cha, ircha. Next. Ir plus ta, what will be? Irta, arth. Ir plus ta, irta. Irta. Like that you have to read, irta. Suppose ir plus pa, irpa. Suppose ir plus pa, irpa. Ir plus ta, irta. Ir plus cha, ircha. Ir plus ta, irta. Suppose it is coming like this, ir plus ta. How you have to write? Irta. To read irta. Understood now this one? Now listen. This im plus ra, imra. The second. Imra. 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 Suppose ich plus ra, ichra. Ip plus ra, ipra. Okay. I think you would have understood this. Next, I'll give some more letters to write like this in the homework. You have to write and submit next Saturday. Okay. Now we can continue the poem. You have studied the poem now. You are for reading enough meanings. You have to study all. You have to write in the booklet and study meanings. Poem just you read. Okay, reading practice will get. Now listen. जब तक हूँ मैं जीवित इस धरती पर. We have to study about the motherland, isn't it? How we are, why we have to salute our motherland. The motherland is giving everything to us, so we have to salute or we have to respect our motherland. And the other is praising about the motherland. Who is the author of the poem is Dwarika Prasad Mageshwari. She is expressing through the children. Children are asking to the God, these and all like that. Okay, now listen here. Jab tak, the children are asking like that. They are telling this. The children are like lion. The children are like a lion. How the lion? The king of our. The lion is the king of the animal, isn't it? So you are the king of the world. जब तक हूँ मैं जीवित इस धरती पर. जब तक मैं, the one boy is telling like this. जब तक मैं जीवित इस धरती पर. जब तक means till. जब when. तक till. My means who would you know? Am. My I जीवित live इस धरती पर. Till when I am living in this world. किसी तरह की आंच न इस पर आने दूंगा. Harm means आंच means harm. Harmful means any other things, bad things. Harm means bad things. Okay. किसी तरह की आम न इस पर आने दूंगा. I won't allow to any bad thing in this country till I am living. I will be like a lion, like the boy is telling. Okay, through the boy, the mother, this other is telling like this. जब तक मैं जीवित इस धरती पर किसी तरह की आंच न इस पर आने दूंगा. நான் இந்த உலகில் உயிரோடு இருக்கிற இந்த பூமியில் உயிரோடு இருக்கிறது வரைக்கும் இங்கே எதையுமே வரவிட மாட்டேன். Next, Balakumaim, I am the boy. Veer Bharat ka vamsaj hoon. Veer Bharat. Our land is brave India. I am the generation of this brave India. I am the Balak. I am the boy. I am the generation of the brave India. सिंहों के मुँह फाड़ दांत दिखला दूंगा. I can tear the. Sing means what? Lion. सिंहों के मुँह words mean mouth. फाड़ दांत दिखला दूंगा. फाड़. I can tear the mouth of lion and so its teeth. That much I am the brave because I am from India. मेरी हाथ सुरक्षित भव्य मुकुट हिमकिरी. मेरी हाथ in my hand. Surakshit means it is protecting. Which is protecting us? Already we have learned the Himalaya mountain is the gatekeeper of us, isn't it? So here, Meri ha Surakshit Bhavya Mukut Himgiri. Himgiri means Himalaya mountain is as a thrown to us. Okay, greed, mukud, like us. மகுடம் போன்று நம்மை பாதுகாக்கிறது எது? இமயமலை. இட் இஸ் இன் அவர் லேண்ட், இட் இஸ் இன் மை ஹேண்ட். Or Surakshit Adi Sindhu Sigasan. In the four sides of, what is in the four sides of our country? One side Himalaya mountain is there, isn't it? The other three side what is are there? East what is there? In east Bay of Bengal, isn't it? South Pakshim, west what is Arabian Sea? And south what is there? Indian Ocean. Okay, so it is protecting us. So we no need of anybody, like that the boy is telling. So I am the brave boy of this country. So we have the gatekeeper of the Himalaya mountain is gatekeeper. It is protecting us, and this seas are protecting us. We are getting everything in our motherland. So next, so I have to salute to my motherland. Next, मैं रोली से नहीं उसी की मिट्टी से तिलक लगाता हूँ अपने माथे पर. The boy is telling again. I am putting the tilak means what ma? Tilak bindi. I am keeping the bindi in my forehead. Mate means forehead. I am keeping that bindi in the forehead, not with the kungum. Roli means the turmeric and this lemon, with that they will make, that is one. I am not putting the tilak. I am not keeping the bindi with, not with the kungum, and I am the mitti soil, the India soil, because that is looking like a sandal. Fragrant smell is coming from our motherland. So I am keeping that. Our soil is keeping us a tilak. यों तो है मेरा नाता सब दुनिया. So like that the whole world is relation to me. Next, गर्व मुझे है केवल इसके नाते पर. I am proud of our country. मैं जो कुछ हूँ सब इसका ही है. Whatever I am doing for my country. इसको ही मेरा सर्वस्व समर्पण. I am hand over everything to the motherland. Whatever I am doing, everything I am hand overing to my motherland. Look here. मैं रोली से नहीं उसी की मिट्टी से. मिट्टी इट्टी, लुक समिताक्षर, मिट्टी से है. तिलक लगाता हूँ. तिलक लगाना, अप्लाइंग द बिंदी अपने माथे पर. माथे मीन्स फोरगेड. यों तो है मेरा नाता सब दुनिया में. आई हैव द रिलेशनशिप टू द होल वर्ल्ड. गर्व मुझे है केवल इसके नाते पर. आई एम प्राउड ऑफ दिस कंट्री. मैं जो कुछ हूँ सब इसका ही है. मैं जो कुछ हूँ, वॉट एवर आई एम, एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम हियर आई. इसको ही मेरा सर्वस्व समर्पण. ईश्व, सी लुक द संयुक्ताक्षर. सर्वस्व, इर्व, ईश्व. सर्वस्व समर्पण, समर्पण है. आई एम हैंड ओवर एवरीथिंग टू दिस motherland. My wish to the motherland, like that. Finishing this poem. Now you can see the sentence making. Okay, I think you can read this. You read and see this. The reading practice will come for you. Next, listen here. The sentence making. Maturbhumi. Listen here. Matrurbhumi. What's the meaning of Matrurbhumi? Already you have studied this. Matrurbhumi. Motherland. How to read this? Matrurbhumi, motherland. वाक्यों में प्रयोग कीजिए. Make sentence. मातृभूमि means motherland. मेरी मातृभूमि का नाम भारत है. मेरी मातृभूमि का नाम भारत है. What's the meaning? My motherland's name is India. मेरी मातृभूमि का नाम भारत है. என்னுடைய தாய்நாட்டின் பெயர் இந்தியா. मेरी मातृभूमि का नाम भारत है. नेक्स्ट, आसमान. व्हाट्स मीनिंग आसमान? स्काई. व्हाट्स मीनिंग आसमान? स्काई. आसमान का रंग नीला है. आसमान का रंग नीला है. व्हाट्स मीनिंग आसमान का रंग नीला है? आसमान का रंग नीला है. व्हाट्स मीनिंग? आसमान का रंग नीला है. आसमान, व्हाट्स मीनिंग आसमान? स्काई. द स्काई's कलर इज ब्लू. आसमान का रंग, कलर, नीला, ब्लू. द स्काई's कलर इज ब्लू. स्काई's कलर इज ब्लू. नेक्स्ट, शोभा. What is Simania? शोभा. मेरी मातृभूमि की शोभा न्यारी है. मेरी मातृभूमि की शोभा न्यारी है. What's Simania? शोभा beauty. My motherland's beauty is strange, wonderful. मेरी motherland's, my motherland's beauty is strange. Next, mukut. What's meaning of mukut? Throne. Mukut, crown. Okay, crown or throne. Mukut, crown. भारत की मुकुट हिमगिरी है. India's crown is Himgiri, Himalaya mountain. India's crown is Himalaya mountain. Next, samarpan. Samarpan means everything handover. Handovering, samarpan, arpanam. मेरी सब सफलता को ईश्वर से समर्पण करता हूँ. मेरी सब सफलता को ईश्वर से समर्पण करता हूँ. I hand over all my success to God. I hand over all my success to God. मेरी सब सफलता को ईश्वर से समर्पण करता हूँ. I think you are clear this sentence making. Can you study this all? Only I am giving this. You have to write in your booklet and study. Question answer also there, but I think you feel difficult to study. So read well and study at least these 5 sentences. Listen. मातृभूमि. मेरी मातृभूमि का नाम भारत है. मेरी मातृभूमि का नाम भारत है. नेक्स्ट, आसमान. व्हाट्स मीनिंग आसमान? स्काई. आसमान का रंग नीला है. द स्काईज कलर इज ब्लू. स्काईज कलर इज ब्लू. नेक्स्ट, शोभा ब्यूटी. मेरी मातृभूमि की शोभा न्यारी है. माई मदरलैंड्स ब्यूटी इज वंडरफुल. नेक्स्ट, मुकुट. व्हाट्स मीनिंग मुकुट? मुकुट, क्राउन. भारत की मुकुट हिमगिरी है. इंडियाज क्राउन इज हिमालया. नेक्स्ट, समर्पण. समर्पण मीन्स अर्पित करना, हैंड ओवर. मेरी सब सफलता को ईश्वर से समर्पण करता हूँ. आई हैंड ओवर ऑल माई सक्सेस टू गॉड. आई थिंक यू आर अंडरस्टूड एवरीथिंग. We can meet in the next class. धन्यवाद.